siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikama sizovaya ngithi sithi siringa ngediski asamasoka analyst and siringa ngediski nje in general vandag isizoya nasemagroundini sike siyobheka kulama tournament asesewaqalile la eSoweto ukuthi kwenzakalani kuma tournament siringa ngediski samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski asamasoka analyst sobona amashibobo namatsamaya ekasi sinje masithanda.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Siringa ngediski ileso sikhathi saka December whereby noma ungayethembisa noma ungayekatlihungu noma ungayava eSoweto ke angisakhulumi ngapha nangapha amasoka tournament silandela idisk le development emakasi but ke si blessed because isizini ivalile ku National Professional Soccer League or ku Professional Soccer League PSL isizini ivalile so nama player amanye aku pro side anokutshontsha nje ayogijima kuma tournament mara sifuna ukubabhacisa abafowethu ukuthi bayagijima kuma tournament sivalela ngoba nabo babuyele emuva ukuyoncedisa i-development yabanye abantwana. Yeah.
Thank you. Uncle.
Prithara.
Njengoba uthi ilile ngilena evalile angiqhosho ngathi bayodlala baphumule before Christmas bese bayachubeka futhi. Mara no, angikho la ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi wena ufila kanjani ngale ndaba leya kaMbokazi njengoba asayinwe eAmerica enabantu ababhaya basitshela ukuthi iAmerica yazi idiski, iAmerica yazi hip hop, iAmerica idila ngerugby. But no lumfana wethu usayinilwe enenangala noMessi naye usayinilwe so wena yini input ofuna ukuyifaka
abangakhuluma nje into abayithandayo ngeAmerica siyazi iAmerica idume ngeibhamu idume ngokubhoma siyazi ukuthi nalaphana eEgypt nase-Israel iyancedisa iAmerica wethola nje yiyo le efaka amabhomu lapha eIsrael ukuthi ama-Israel abulala amaPakistan Rasiko lapho politically iAmerica idume ngamabhomu ngendiza zempi mara nangediski iAmerica ikhona because mawungakhumbula kudala eSouth Africa maningi amaplayer adlalile eAmerica ngabala uEsintswelengu udlalile kuMinnesota Kicks ngabala uJomo Sono the Prince of Soweto naye ugijimile laphana kuNew York Cosmos agijima noPele kuNew York Cosmos uPele waseBrazil makaceda ukupenshina uPele leBrazil wathi hayi uthi ngiyodlala eAmerica because ikhona inyuku ediskini laseAmerica yilo lele la boost uJomo Sono waze wafika eSouth Africa wayovula la ship leya imboni yakhe yeyinkukhu uyakhumbula matafula uJomo uthi weyokuqala wathengisa inkukhu eSoweto eyosiwe
aphethe franchise lapho yinkulu
yes so uJomo wayephethe yona amadola waseAmerica ngaleso sikhathi leso abuya kuNew York Cosmos so abantu bangakhuluma bathi uMbokazi uyenzani eAmerica it's a starting point for uMbokazi ukuyodlala eAmerica because we believe thina ezamabhakaniya ukuthi uMbokazi ngeke adlale isikhathi eside eAmerica angadlala 1 or 2 season but after that bazobe bamscoutile Italy bazobe bamscoutile Spain bazobe bamscoutile England so sicabanga ukuthi it's a beginning for uMbokazi and at the age of 20 uMbokazi right ukuthi aye eAmerica leya league iphetha boMessi khona manje kusho ukuthi kuzoba nesikhathi la uMbokazi sizozwa bathi umakana noMessi
igama lam Wenkosi but igama lebhola uKoshi abangibiza ngale bholeni
wathi manje
Koshi
uPoshi
ebisuke lapho lo gama le lebholeni
Alusukele ebholeni.
Lisukela nje likhula nabantwana. Okay, nasebholeni bakubiza ngalo.
Bambiza ngale.
Bathu bani?
Coach KO.
So coach njami angitshele ukuthi yipi position ke wayidlala oyidlalayo Green.
Mina ngidlala number 10.
Number 10. Uthatha enye inombolo mfethu lehlanyisa ama player. So angitshele njami ama tournament nama game nesoccer injani from ngara eSwatini bro.
Ama games ahamba kahle eSwatini.
Ufila kanjani ngombokazi avaya?
Ngijabula kakhulu ngalawo konta.
Awusitshele nje ukuthi uye wathatha best player eSwaziland. Le tournament bekuyini le tournament bekwenze njani? Awusixoxele.
Le tournament ibizwa ngakuthi iBuild It. Build It under 13 idlalwa national. Onke ama region ahlangana. Kanje kuyo kodlalwa emavuso. And then wadlala kahle una best player no 10,000.
Okay. So iyo le tournament wahlabana kuyo le.
Ngileyo.
And ama team approximately kule tournament beyenga.
About 8 ma region onke.
Region team e1. So about 8
about 8.
Okay.
So ukhona ama team lawa uke wafisa ukwadlalela wangayi eGauteng.
Yakhona.
Amaphi lawa ukuthi ungawa mention lawa few ukuthi ungawatrialela.
Abo Chiefs nabo abo Super Sports. No Resa. No TS Galaxy.
Ayisho ukuthi nabo vele amajita
njoti ngamanye amagama ubheke nje opportunity awunandaba ukuthi ngaba yini team eSouth Africa.
Ubheke opportunity.
Okay. Ngalesikhathi uwina le tournament bowazi ukuthi kune prize ekhona before niyodlala kule tournament.
Bengazi ukuthi kune prize ekhona because nakuma newspaper bebahlale babhala ukuthi uzoba i-best player, kuzoba ne-best player kuleyo tournament.
Okay.
So nami bengihlale ngijima njalo nje.
Ukujima neteam yakho or uzijimela uwena?
Bengijima kawu2, bengijima neteam phindze ngijime ngedwa.
Okay, yeah, so wafika kanjani mawina le tournament?
Ngajabula kakhulu mangicetha kuwina le best player nekuwina le tournament kwangijabulisa kakhulu.
Nguphi lonyaka lo owine ngayo le tournament?
2023 November.
Hayi siyabonga sizokuthatha sinawo kuma tournament uyobheka amanye ama tournament la. Ngakule chance sikuhlanganise necoach ewali ya local sibone ukuthi ngifake eschemini sayo na uzobona ukuthi njani.
Ngajabulela kakhulu lo thuba.
Hayi siyabonga mfumana.
Yebo.
Msito ultima kunzikiseke uthande ungathande uyabona kamajila phana bakhamera ngishute
ngenza 400
ukaleza ukudilika wona ama 2000 asenze abantu basathi phela basipaka phakathi phakathi asikele phana uyela phana sikwamsa material asikele sika abantu uthethela phana umkhuthuzi uyabakhuthuzi akusibeke uzoribheza
Ready, up, 1, 2, 5. Ready, up, 1, 2, 5.
How should they trade on the land? Left, right, in front of 4 and 5. Left, right, in front. Why? I don't have to see a space between you and the defender side. Why? But don't air.
Silver plan are $250 per month. Gold plan are $350 per month. Platinum plan are $450 per month. And for our seniors, a special pensioners top up at just $80 per month. Because at KV Funeral Home, we believe every farewell deserves respect, care, and dignity. The dignity.
Can't mistake.
May 20.
Ako kenela maru inkani ya tsilile ntsene
Two, if was smart, every time I spend comment. If was build as catching inside a lot, if we not like a cruiser, you must take the consider in. I'm a second back, I'm a second foot. I only keep it I can't do the good. Now, it was a wood. It can make the wood, but I'm a Polamani, it can make it good, but I'm a Polamani, we are last what's in our cool. But then containing a corner, sharp, the walk, but you want to flag. Hey, talk about my certificate on the cow. Take one guy, make you that. Coffee. One of them try to save you some more than you want to go into. Charge what the service at some taco. It's simple food. One. Definitely now. Now we say now drop about to pick up. Space is saying just say. We are not at our speed. But I can't get back to feel like I can car box. I'm like a black box or I'm right box. You're not to the bottom of First, in football, you're like a strength. How can I go now? Mango Pala, because he got 3 chances at the manga. Well, no way. Like a strength.
Ngisho development yesoka in Soweto and South Africa and even neighboring countries, development beseyigele. You see, bekunganama academy before wesokha uyabona ama-academy bekuyigele kulapho bekugrunywa khona commentators and soccer players yiko lapho safunda khona ukuthi celelele nginthathe ngamehlo engqondo nginibeke kwesikaMaminzela isigodi Orlando Stadium lapho kuhlangene khona amaqembu amabili amakhulu kakhulu iOrlando Pirates ezingamagebhulu ezimnyama ngenkani iKaizer Chiefs abafana basephefeni Love and Peace. Yeah, uzobabona amanye ama-commentator wasemakasi all the tournaments that we will be visiting sizobe sivakashela nama-commentator emathendeni wabo sizwe ukuthi ithalente laseSoweto linjani sinje masithanda
kandangale ayer lizosala phana uchinjamele walifaka machini lapha bathi ufuna uzoyithole asebenzisa manje ehlona zinto manje ufuna uzoyithole ehlona zinto manje ufuna uzoyithole
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
Hugo Broos and TLB's MLS move. I will tell you what I think. What is he going to do in Chicago? But I know what happens when an agent, Basia Michaels, thinks she knows more than what many agents are doing. If she is a little bit clever, there is AFCON in next year's World Cup. There will be other teams better for his career, not Chicago. I don't think it is a good choice. UDM, investigate Hugo Broos political party. UDM has called for an investigation into Hugo Broos' alleged racist and sexist remarks yesterday. Basia Michaels did play football before becoming a well-known football agent. She played for the University of Johannesburg's ladies football team and even earned a scholarship through her involvement in the sport before transitioning into a career as a FIFA-accredited football agent and lawyer. Soccer Laduma +1 today, she's recognized not for playing professionally at the highest leagues, but for representing top players and working behind the scenes in football management and player transfers. The Bafana Bafana camp was boosted by the arrival of Siyabonga Ngazana on Sunday. Ngazana immediately joined his teammates at training at the High Performance Center in Pretoria, where the team has been based for the past few days. Kylian Mbappe has won the lawsuit against PSG, with judge ruling in the player's favor. As a result, the Court of Paris have sided with the footballer and order PSG to pay around 61 million euros, reports RMC.
Haya sibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi afrustani diski adlalile idiski that's why siringa ngediski yes ya yibungi ngijane laba.
No kiss, just a score line. Did you see that red at your post?